How to solve Pinterest download problem. So if you're facing a problem with download on Pinterest, then first what you can do is you can open up your settings and you can go for apps, and under your apps you can go for see all apps and go for the upper right which has that search icon and search for Pinterest. And once you've searched, you can go for storage and cache, and you can go for clear cache. And once you clear your cache, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, remove that, and then you can open up your Play Store and go for the search bar and search for Pinterest. And once you've searched for Pinterest, here if you have an update option, then you might find this kind of problems. So simply tap on update, and after updating, your problems will be fixed. So tap on update and update your Pinterest application. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you can simply uninstall the application. You can simply search for Pinterest and tap and hold on to that application. And now you can go for uninstall app and then tap on uninstall. And once you uninstall, you can again install it from your Play Store or your App Store, and then you can log into your account. And after that, your problems will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you solve your Pinterest download problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.